How to delete My AI on Snapchat permanently. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete My AI on Snapchat permanently. First, open your Snapchat app on your iPhone. Go to Chats and click on My AI. Tap on Manage Friendships. Click on Edit Name. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Click on Settings at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Clear Data. Tap on Clear My AI Data. Snapchat may ask you to confirm your decision to disable AI. Go back, scroll down and click on I Need Help. Click on My AI. Scroll down and select How do I unpin or remove my AI with Snapchat. To remove My AI from Snapchat, swipe right from the camera screen to Chat. Press and hold on My AI and then tap on Chat Settings. Then tap Clear from the chat feed. That's how you can remove My AI on Snapchat iPhone. Also, check out our video on how to see if someone viewed your Snapchat profile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.